Hi, I'm Josh from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to diagnose a faulty heater in a washing machine. Now, the usual symptom of a faulty heater is that the machine won't finish a wash cycle, and this is usually going to result in the machine either continuing to wash or in displaying a fault code as it waits for the water to get up to temperature. Obviously, if the machine has a faulty element, then the water is never going to get warm. Now, safety first, make sure you've unplugged your machine. And in order to access the element on most machines, we need to get to the back, although it may be on yours that you access the element from the front of the machine. So I'm just going to turn this machine round and remove the back panel. Now, this is the element here under the drum. I'm just going to start by disconnecting these connections from the terminals. And then I'm going to grab a multimeter and put that onto a low resistance setting and just place the probes of the meter onto the terminals of the element. Now, for a working element, I'm looking for a reading of between 20 and 50 ohms. And on this one, I'm getting about 27, 28. So that should be okay. Next, let's have a look at the temperature sensor, which is next to the element here. So I'm just going to pull that out and disconnect it from its plug. And then if I put the meter onto a higher resistance setting and put the probes onto the terminals inside the sensor. For a working sensor, I'm looking for between 20,000 and 50,000 ohms, and on this I'm getting about 47, so that's okay. You can check that your sensor is working as well just by placing your hand over it, and if it's working, the reading should go down, which it is. So it looks like the sensor is okay as well. Once you've checked both the element and the sensor, just have a look at all the wiring that's around it. Make sure that it's not burnt or damaged or loose anywhere. And once you're happy that the wiring's okay and you still can't find the source of the fault, it's likely to be due to a problem with the control board. Now, if it is, you can see more about how to find out in another eSpares video. Spares for washing machines and other appliances are available on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.